So I hired this tech lady I met on Facebook. Her name is Tina. Tina is a professional tech lady and she has never failed. I explained my plans for her and she get to work. Then instantly she disconnected all the CCTV camera in the store. I have no gun, so I borrowed a toy gun from my neighbor's kid. I took 3 days break to train and think of how to get started. Then the day of robbery came.
Jesus. Are you there? God help me.
What's up, my people, on a day? How the weather be? You know, it's cold. Weather for two. You get. When I need person, when I tell me, you understand? Anyways, just make sure to watch to the very end to at least to ginger your mood. It's going to be very, very funny. You understand? So don't do and don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to the question and answer segment. And my name is MC Kuro. And right here on the hot seat, we'll have a very young, brilliant looking man. What's your name?
Funny Ima 01 people body collect aka boy cat.
Okay, thank you very much. So now, are you ready to play the first question?
Yes.
Hey! I've always known that my son will make me proud.
Remember the first option, you have the opportunity of phoning a friend. You can double or you cash out. So are you ready?
Yes.
The first question. When did Nigeria gain her independence? A, 1960, B, 1920, C, 1940.
I need to be very, very wise.
1960.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
You got it correct! She just want to say 5 billion naira!
Just answer one question.
So the next question. What is the name of the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria? A, Sim, B, Wike, C, Tinubu.
Tinubu.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, Tinubu.
What's it correct? 10 million naira! Amazing. This is the last question. Are you ready to double or to cash out?
Cash out the money, not double anything.
You're not born away to double.
Ha! This boy is alone here.
What is the name of the website that gives you several ways to earn cash prizes every day without you asking to pay anything? And it is 100% free to join this website. On this website, you can play games such as Tap to Win, which is the first person that taps the green button at a given time. And also you have trivia that you can ask many questions in the fastest time. And remember, on this website, you can earn 7,000 naira daily. In this website, they pay cash prizes 24 hours. And remember, it is 100% free to join this website. What is the name?
Bro, this one phone too.
Do you want to phone a friend?
Yes.
Okay, beautiful.
So you mumu like this and not know. This boy, you foolish like this and not know.
Hello, Ima. Hello, Mimi. Ima, why not catch up? If you go back this house. I don't know the answer. If you tell me, Ima, I don't know the answer now. I will tell you. It's my brother. This girl is corner. I'm not going to tell her.
Okay. The name of the website is Win Paddy. They are the best when it comes to giveaway.
So you know, say be my party. Just ask me another question.
You want to live here or you want me to call my security?
What's that the question? What's a beg now?
My friend, will you get out of here?
Bros, just give me transport. Make I go and no fit train.
My friend, get out!
Bros, big kuna, you blow to the wall.
Oh, Jesus.
Security!
I hereby commission this multi-billion ultra-modern hospital for the people of Ugwelu. God have mercy.
Okay, now cooking gas.
I know. Gas na gas. As we no get oxygen for this hospital, what do you want make I do?
Hello, mama, they sick. Make her carry and come that hospital where just commission.
I use stupid. Arrange for her to be flown abroad. Let me send the money. You want to bring her here? You want to kill her?
His Excellency, how wicked can you be? You cannot allow your family members to be brought in the same hospital you just commissioned, but you expect your own citizens to be brought in here. How
Jesus. Swallow one.
Wow, the governor is really trying. Free healthcare. Doctor, why are you taking about when there's free medication in the hospital?
It's all their fake drugs. Even me, I am not a qualified doctor. I studied botany for Unizik. They don't sack me, but not everything where they are fake. Even your pillow na block. Hope you got good videos.
There are not too many.
But add videos from internet or use AI. Let me see the edit.
Man of the people. Patients are happy. Ultra-modern facilities. Vote Chifa Muneke come 2027.
Correct. 2027, Governor Muneke. Here I come. Over 2.5. Correct score.
No unlike than gas than they use that gas to very use.
That was close.
Take you out to Kayode. No go market.
Already, I know where.
How did they do you?
They do me
Jiggy. You don't take medicine.
take time. But they gave me go the market now. The money you give me and the list inside.
No wahala. Sorry, yeah. Customer, let them know. How much be this fish and this one? This one is 10,000, 7,000.
Are you whining yourself?
Of course, so. Put it on now.
Wahala, this is
Customer, well done. No? I beg, give me one bottle of oil, 2 days of rice and 2 days of gari and crayfish. I don't go spend money past with I give this woman to take kuku.
So that's 15,500.
Why have you call this market self? Put now.
They struggle.
You don't wear?
Are they sick before? I'll say you buy everything. Everything they intact. Thank you for me. Thank you.
You say you wise, Abby? So what, this night you go for me to the whole money I don't spend. Get why?
My name is Motherfucker. International Italian footwear, yeah. Hey, Chama, go. Hey! Chama, what's the meaning of this now? I told you this shoe will not size me. I told you. But what happened? I've been from anywhere. Hey, from La Bush. Don't tell me you don't remember me. I love my bag. Italian unisex footwear. Come collect though. As they buy for yourself, they buy for your mother, they buy for your wife, they buy for your girlfriend, they buy for your side chick. Original, affordable. Occasional go to superstores. Almost quality footwear and shoe accessories. Press, come buy shoe. Come buy shoe, don't worry yourself. Okay, see this shoe, collect them. Is there something colorful like this? Any occasion wear and go, that occasion go be colorful. You like this one? Sam, touch of green. Greener pasture. This shoe get greener pasture. Okay, collect and don't worry yourself. Let me give you.
Something more sophisticated for my occasion.
Press, go. You don't get any type of shoe where they find we will not get. Choose them. Bros, you get eye for better shoe. You see the soul, you see the spirit, you see the body. Spirit, soul, and body. Good stuff. Okay, come collect this shoe now. Yellow and black.
Hey, no provoke me.
I love this, but I wish it was in a bigger size.
Okay, which size did they wear?
I'm taking 45, but this looks like 5. I wear 45.
Okay, I go size you.
What?
How? 45 and 5, any difference? Who left for waterproof? Move your leg.
It's desperation. I know you're trying to sell your market, but you can't force this now. This is for kids now. How did this enter my leg?
I can push you for nylon, lift talk.
This size me.
Okay, don't worry, just go wear shoe. Okay, are you? What's happened now? No oversize?
Which kind of oversize? You have been trying these shoes on him for more than 2 hours. It's not fitting.
Today's my wedding. I have guests waiting. This shoe cannot size me.
I got him your size.
45.
Now 5 no enter you. Okay, bring your leg.
The same thing they did the last time. This is the same thing.
Okay, pull your leg. Madam, for your wedding.
I don't want.
Not being big this.
It has entered. Something we've been trying for how long? It has entered.
For this country, 45 need to enter 5.
Put it on.
What can happen?
I said put it on. I don't want to shout. Wait. You're going to be my best man in this wedding. Anytime where I put this shoe, you go wear it for me. I don't know how you do them. Just put it on now. I don't want to waste time.
But they come out reach one wedding.
Anele!
We are in business. We are in business now.
Nduka, best man.
My God.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, the struggle.
Jesus.
One man begin. Hey.
What be this?
What's this? I was just testing my microphone. Hey! Okay, what do you want? For the remainder of this year, you do all of the actors. And even when mommy come, you tell her that don't call Tenny because Tenny doesn't want to do actors. We're just in July. What do you mean this whole year? Okay. Hold on. I don't have time. What's the camera for? Evidence must evidence. So you need to say it. You need to put it there. Hi, mommy. So I'm going to do all the chores this year. I don't want to call Tenny. I love her so much. She's my little sister. So please leave her out. Hey, mommy, slow. Give me. Okay. Mommy, do you know that I found a pregnant test strip inside the house? Don't fear. It's one line. Don't fear.
Wọ́n lára ẹgbẹ́ ti fi APC lẹ̀.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni sà.
Gàdújì ńkọ́.
Àlàáfíà ló wà sà.
Kwásọ́kọ́ ńkọ́.
Adúpẹ́ sà.
Rí mi ẹ̀ bèrè ni.
Ẹ má bínú sà.
Aláìda ìyọ̀lọ́pọ̀ ọdún ni.
Ẹ má bínú sà.
Ẹ̀yà pàtàkì fún Jésù. Ìdí májọ̀ bàjẹ́ lèmi wà.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ sà, àti mìíràn sà.
Jásì máa dùdù.
You are a stupid boy.
This Nigeria airline very, very unreliable. See how they just cancel person flight.
Who please?
Then cancel on free light.
Mama, na so they just scatter person plan for today.
That one is not good though. No worry, I get a flight.
Private jet.
No worry, wait. What you una defie? Oh yeah, who don't ready make una kweta.
Wait. Iye, don't mama.
Wakoyo na my pikin, wakoyo.
I talk calm. I don't see my village people. Hey, mama, if you want carry the three of us go, how much you go charge?
Na 3,000. But because of promo, make una pay 2,500.
Oh, too much, 2,000 ko.
Oh yeah, no problem. You na my pikin, me go enter, make we dey go.
I'm go now.
Don't worry, I go use nice bus.
I go leave now.
They go, no worry.
Here mo go.
Enter.
No, they go. I go leave for now.
No worry, enjoy.
Say you don't sit anywhere. Oh yeah, make we dey go. My pikin.
Jesus! Mommy,
Now where una dey go? All of una where this say lot.
Iye, we dey go Lagos o.
Okay.
You get one movie where they come out on the 13th. The title of the movie na cancelled flight.
Oh.
You know, since na the same cancelled flight for the movie, na the same thing what come happen to us. Thank God say you save me here. So the movie go come out on the 13th of July for Aloma TV.
You say when which time again?
On the 13th of July.
Now that 13th, now we go take go reach there.
Why?
I won't carry you go for my cover, make you go see some of my queen mother there.
Drop me. No, you not tell me man follow them, my guys, them enter bus. Drop me.
Drop you for where? This flight they're not the cancel.
Pack
for where? This airline not the pack any and I follow our cover 90 the pack. You don't the yami so.
Cry, no worry.
After working 9 to 5 for 5 years, I decided to quit my job because of low salary payment. Then I decided to rob a close-by supermarket in my area. I did a lot of planning for this moment. Before the robbery, I drew a full map of the supermarket. I know exact time the store opened and closed. The store has 3 active CCTV cameras. I know it wasn't going to be easy. So I hired this tech lady I met on Facebook. Her name is Tina. Tina is a professional tech lady and she has never failed. I explained my plans for her and she get to work. Then instantly, she disconnected all the CCTV cameras in the store. I have no gun, so I borrowed a toy gun from my neighbor's kid. I took 3 days break to train and think of how to get started. Then the day of robbery came.
Put the money in the bag! Jesus. I said, put the money in the bag, are you there?
God help me. Help me.
Hello? Prince,
you there?
You know they with me. They come at Jewel police station, you go see them. What's your favorite movie? Money Heist. I can do it.
Bro, open this place now.
Bro. Nah, yeah. Bro.
Open here now.
Open now. Look right now. One by something.
Yeah, be like ready to say. Yeah, be like ready to say. Yeah, be like ready to say. Pop off. You think they're selling kunu here?
Oh, who is there now?
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Are they alright too? I just there outside. Okay. I dey perceive better stew and rice. I say, I say make I come.
You go chop. Come inside.
I don't get choice now. If you give me
Inside, come inside.
I asked man.
Hey, le monde part en couille. Who goes that man there? No, I'm happy that.
Hey, I'm not hungry again. No worry.
Oh, they go now.
Which one be who goes? Now rice are they fine. Which one be who goes?
Scorpion.
Your name na Scorpion.
I'm telling you.
I'm not a turn animal. I don't want chop again. Leave me alone. Now rice are they fine. Not be animal kingdom at the end. Leave me alone. You be animal.
You will regret your life. Don't worry. This is a football competition between the elders of the community and the youth of the community. As we all know, we are here to have fun. So please, the youth, I urge you all to take it easy with the elders. Let's have fun. Are we good to go? Let's go.
Body go tell you.
What's the meaning of this nonsense now? This is just a game, please. Am I not old enough to be a father in this community?
You be mumu.
Pick up yourself. Let's play this game, please. You don't get on my picture for the papa house. Let us stand up, I beg. I know they like what you do. Don't do this again, See that happen now? That bring more abeg. Why they do that?
They never show you say the mumu.
What the hell ball on that one for? Hey, Elder, without you respect, please pick up yourself from that place. What an elder sees sitting. Even if a child climbs the highest Sirocco tree, we will not sit, Abi. You've seen it now. Come on, stand up. Just up, just up. This is football, Abi. This is football now. This is football. Yes, this is football. This is a peace game. Let us fall in anyhow. Peaceful game, like Bafam. Peaceful game. My intestine. Peaceful game. This is 2-0. 2-0. No problem. Start again. In short, this match is ended. For what? I cannot play again. I'm having migraine here now. I cannot play. Peace, yo. 2. Peace, yo. 2-0. Peace, yo. 2-0. Peace, yo. Now, tell my mom come now. Peace, yo. 2-0. 2-0. Elder. Strength that don't even get set. Lousy elders, nothing. 2-0. 2. Beat them. Hands down. My brother, he gets down. He just did. Wait a minute. You feel it? Maybe you flog me now. Why they do like that now? First time something hit my back. You're telling me I flogged you. You start that doing the talk about. Jesus! Yeah! See, I never play with you. I never play with you. Now lie.
PC, show him the hand. PC,
I heard that it has not got into that. It was just only a game now. It was a game.
Our footballers.
That's not play now. I play within the play now.
Shana, you been there run mad. You go patch me ball for Bele. PC, show them the hand. PC,
don't know why it's going on.
How many do you want to play yourself?
2-0.
How many will don't flog on? 2. Now, how many will go flog them again?
14-2.
14-2. Oh, that is too small now. Now, how many? 42. 42. 42 is too small for them. Let's give them 82-2.
Oh, shit.
When I thought saying I saw football day to patch me ball for Bele, I saw Juju day.
But no, no worry. We will just be defenders. Eh? Attacker, they come. Attacker! Attack!
Yeah. No be juju be that. Now I'm too much.
This year, Chinedu will come break my macono. Eh? Nah.
Kasongo, yeah. Mombari nanga. Kasongo, mbona wewe. Songa libala. Hey! Mombari nanga.
They go now.
What's your favorite part of the video? Drop it right in the comment section, and please check out my other videos. So many of them. So drop nice comments, share this video, and subscribe if you're yet to do that. You feel me? So see you in the next one. Peace and love.